Hello, I'm Ian. This is a quick video to show how to reset transformation in Blender. In this tutorial, I will make it simple. I will add a cube, so we can go to Add, Merge, and add a cube here. Close up to it, and then I want to show it clearly. I press N to show the transform panel. Now we can go to use scale mode to move it, and we can rotate it. Actually, we can rotate in transform panel, something like this, and we can move it. And also we can scale it, something like this. So if you want to reset the transformation, we can select the objects and go to objects and go to clear. We can find clear location, clear rotation, and clear scale. Actually, we can use shortcuts Alt-G, Alt-Alt, and Alt-S to reset the transformation. For example, I select the objects and press Alt-G to reset location to 0, and Alt-R to reset rotation to 0, and also Alt-S to reset scale to 1. So this is how we can reset transformation in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Ian. See you in the next video.